welcome back to the channel. So lots going on today at the project site. We've got the family in town, so there's lots of kids running around too, and we are done with the wall sheathing on the front side of the house. We haven't taped anything. We have to get it and do our rough-in inspection before we can tape everything, but we are working on the front porch. So we're going to finish the front porch, get that all in, and then from there we'll continue sheathing around the house. So we're moving along, things are going. Hopefully we can keep moving at a decent pace and get all of the wall sheathing done here over the next few days, hopefully. So we're making some good progress, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned as we move along with our DIY custom home.